And then you also had, what was it, Wolverine, which is a 7-minute trailer. That had some interesting gameplay mechanics. I think it had too many cutscenes, you know, or quick action scenes. What do you call them things? Time scenes or something? Quick time events. Damien, hope you're well. Hope you're well, mate. Yeah, I think that Wolverine one was interesting. I like the fact, I like the way that his armor, well, when he gets like pierced and shot up and, you know, everything was breaking off him, basically. That everything regenerated, not the clothing even regenerated, which I thought was kind of hilarious, really. I think it was interesting, the Wolverine, because it was made by is it Insomniac? Yeah, Insomniac Games made that game. Which is interesting because they were the ones that also made the Spider-Man games, and those Spider-Man games sold like hotcakes. So it'll be quite interesting to see what the sales are going to be like for the Wolverine game when that finally comes out. It's vastly different to Spider-Man. So I don't think Spider-Man had much blood in it, and I guess you can't really make a Wolverine game without blood, can you? Really?